Hi guys, 11 this side. Welcome to this new tutorial video. In this video we will create this feather text reveal effect inside After Effects. So first हम feather create करेंगे with the help of pen tool and then उसे animate करेंगे. So let's start the video. If you are new here, please subscribe this channel. Now select the pen tool and start drawing shapes roughly. Add fill color and add a effect called gradient ramp, but later I will remove the gradient because ये बहुत बेकार लग रहा था, so you can skip this part. Now make a stick for the feather. feather वाली layer को stick से parent कर देंगे, so we have to do animation only on one layer. Create a text layer. But before animation, as you can see, this composition is in real format, so I will change this in YouTube format. Now add gradient ramp on the solid, and this solid is also in real format, as you can see. अब feather को 3D में convert करेंगे by clicking on this icon and position और rotation के keyframe add करेंगे. रोटेशन वैल्यू शुड बी -180 एंड पोजीशन के लिए हम एंकर पॉइंट का यूज़ करेंगे. यहाँ पे ऑल 3 डायरेक्शन XYZ है, सो हम Y को नीचे ड्रैग करेंगे. नाउ एडजस्ट द की फ्रेम पोजीशन एंड कॉपी माई ग्राफ. प्रेस S फॉर स्केल एंड 0 to 100 के की फ्रेम क्रिएट करेंगे. Press F9 and copy my graph. Now make position and rotation. Keyframe on feather comb. Drag it to the left side and rotate it -52 degree. Now drag it to the right side and rotate it -20 degree. Now drag it to the right side and rotate it -29 degree. Now press F9 and copy my graph. Adjust the position of keyframes for smoothness. अभी टेक्स्ट कॉम पे मास्क क्रिएट करेंगे, so select the layer and press Ctrl and double click on the mask tool. Now make keyframe on mask path and press Ctrl+T to transform the mask. Make a mask around the text and drag the keyframe to the right side. Now transform again, but this time to the left. Mask feather को increase करेंगे which will make animation smooth. Now position और mask path के ग्राफ सेम होने चाहिए जिससे दोनों का animation सेम टाइम पे होगा, as you can see. Now make rotation on solid 39 to -51, then -45 to -51. Now feather पे भी सेम रोटेशन का की फ्रेम क्रिएट करेंगे 0 to -10 and then 11. Now adjust the keyframe positions. Now press F9 and copy my graph. So this is how you can create feather text reveal in After Effects. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials.
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me.